Hi, budget bosses. If you're ready to slay your holiday spending without breaking the bank, you're in the right place right now. Today, I'm going to do a full flip through of two of the Budget Like a Boss Christmas Budget Planner and Saving Challenge Workbook. Your new best friend for stress-free, debt-free holiday planning. Whether you're trying to stay on budget, save ahead, or just feel more in control this season, let's go ahead and look into the Budget Planner Saving Challenge Workbook. These two planners is with a purple theme and a green theme. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. Hi, bestie. We're going to go ahead and do the flip through of the green and purple Budget Like a Boss this Christmas Budget Planner and Savings Workbook. The setup of the budget templates, your gift list, are the same as the previous flip throughs that I did of the other budget planner. So if you haven't seen that particular flip through, make sure you check out that one as well. So this is more than just a budget planner. It does have the availabilities for you to track your Christmas cards and gift lists. So if you still send family and friends Christmas cards, you have a way to track that, and then like shipping lists as well for any gifts, because a lot of times you might mail or ship gift to family and friends, and then you have multiple spaces where you can track your gift per person. Then with your trackers, you do have your Christmas sales tracker, expense tracker, savings trackers as well. So it's just more than just a budget planner. It have other aspects for Christmas planning as well. Okay. So like if you're planning a Christmas party, you can track those expenses too. Okay, so here is the savings challenge portion. Now within all of the Budget Like a Boss, this Christmas budget planners, the trackers, the budget planner sections are the same. The difference between each color themes are the saving challenges. You will have some challenges that are the same within each, but the majority of the challenges there are differences. And the saving challenges are for any income level, whether you're low income. You can definitely utilize the saving challenges within it because it gives you the ability to set your own personal savings goal for majority of the savings challenges. Because I know all of our income levels are different. Some of us have the ability to save more than others, and this allows the flexibility for you to be able to do that. Okay, so now let's do the flip through of the green theme, Budget Like a Boss's Christmas Budget Planner and Savings Challenge Workbook. So you can see the difference with between this particular budget planner compared to the others. As I stated before, the budget planner section and the tracker section within all the budget planners are the same. The only slight difference is, like for instance, you see I added green to this header. And that would basically be the only difference with this section based on the theme for the budget planner. All of the Christmas budget planners are available on Amazon, and I will have the link for these budget planners here in the description along with the other budget planners. But make sure you check out my other flip throughs so you can see the other 3 Christmas budget planners that's available. So here's the difference with the saving challenges for the green. And there will be a release for a minimalist Christmas budget planner savings challenge workbook as well. The challenges that has black paper on them, make sure to utilize either white or metallic ink on those particular pages. And for each Christmas in July, and each Savings Challenge book is different. You will notice that as well during the flip through. The Budget Like a Boss, This Christmas Budget Planners, and Saving Challenge workbooks are all $10.99, but the black theme one, because of the cost, is $11.99. And like I said, they're all available on Amazon. They ship them within 2 to 3 days, and I think they're very affordable, and they'll help you jumpstart your savings and your budgeting for Christmas. So I want to thank you so much for taking time out your busy schedule to see this Christmas budget planner flip through. Thank you and have an awesome day.